here. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is all about sewing, stitching. So I'm going to do a sewing video about stitching a gathered skirt. So I have this beautiful gingham fabric that I thrifted from Think Twice. Those in Nairobi know the thrift shop. They sell amazing thrifted items, especially fabrics, and I really loved this blue color. So I'm in love with gathered skirts. So today's video is all about gathered skirts, sewing, and all about that. So stay tuned and see the outcome. Thank you. So I'm finally finished. This took like almost an hour and it went perfectly fine. Yeah, so this is the result of the skirt. I really love this. I can't wait to rock it and style it in different ways. So it fits so well. This is how the waist fits. Yeah, I really am in love with gathers, and I'll show you some other things that I've done with gathers and they turn out so amazing. I actually love how these two patterns match, even though they're so different. Thank you for staying tuned and watching this video. See you in another project, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, share to all your friends. Bye.